I looked into VS Code and Cursor AI, and honestly, both are powerful editors, but they serve very different types of developers. VS Code is the classic option. It's stable, lightweight, and backed by an enormous ecosystem of extensions. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, Go, Rust, or anything else, VS Code probably has an extension for it. It's flexible enough for beginners and powerful enough for professionals. Cursor AI, on the other hand, is built for developers who want AI deeply integrated into their workflow. Instead of just code suggestions, it can refactor entire files, explain complex functions, generate tests, and help you build full features with natural language. The interface feels similar to VS Code, but with AI baked into the core experience instead of being an optional plugin. Where VS Code wins is customization, stability, and long-term reliability. The massive community support also makes it nearly future-proof. Cursor AI wins in speed and productivity. You can build, debug, and iterate a lot faster, especially for large projects or unfamiliar code bases. So, which is better? If you want a traditional, highly flexible editor, VS Code is the safer choice. But if you want cutting-edge AI-powered development and faster coding workflows, Cursor AI feels like the future.